In this tutorial, we will learn how to flip videos in order to properly display text on the LemurBox. When using the LemurBox, you'll find text will be flipped horizontally due to it being reflected through the mirror. To fix this issue, we'll be using conversion software to flip the video back to the right orientation. First, make sure you have the video loaded on your phone. Then open up your browser and head to the website onlinevideocutter.com/flipvideo. Now click on the Open File icon, select the media picker and choose the video you want to flip. This will take you to the video editor. Click on Horizontal to mirror the video along the horizontal axis. Scroll down and click the Save button to start the conversion. Once the conversion has completed, click Save to download the flipped version of the video back to your phone. Now you should be able to find the converted video in your Downloads folder. And that's all there is. Now if you play the video in your LemurBox, you should see the text be flipped in the correct orientation. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos.